first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 3, Day 3. Listen carefully as I say a word. Flock. The word flock has 4 sounds. Say the sounds with me. O, A, K. I'll take away the first sound. Now I have a new word. O, A, K. Lock. The new word has only 3 sounds. Let's do some together. Listen as I say a word, then say the word without the first sound. Slid. So get rid of the S. It becomes lid. Clock. Get rid of the K. It becomes lock. Slap. Get rid of the S. It becomes lap. Flop. Get rid of the F. It becomes lop. Glad. Get rid of the G. It becomes lad. Block. Get rid of the B. It becomes lock. Plot. Get rid of the P. It becomes lot. And then last of all, flight. Get rid of the F. It becomes light. Okay, friends. So, this is... Hi, first graders. Welcome to Unit 1, Week 3, Day 3. So we are going to start by some chronological awareness. That means you're listening for sounds. I'm going to say a word, pig. I will change the P to F and make a new word. The word is fig. Let's do some together. The new word is fog. Say it with me. Oh, fig. Sorry, not fog. Fig. Say the word with me. Fig. We will change the first sound to J. Let's say the new word together. Jig. Jig. Say the word with me. Jig. Change the J to P. Pig. Change the P to D. Dig. Change the D to F. Fig. Okay. Flit. Change the F to S. Slit. Okay. Slip. Change the S to F. Flip. Change the F to K. Clip. Okay. So this is our 3rd day doing this, so we're going to go kind of fast. P-L, P-L, pull, pull, pull. Please play, pull, pull, pull. Pull. Oh, whoops. Pull, 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 pull. C-L, C-L, coal, coal, coal. Clippity climb, coal, coal, coal. Here we go. Coal, 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 coal. B-L, B-L, bull, bull, bull. Black and blue, bull, bull, bull. Here we go. Bull, 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 bull. F-L, F-L, full, full, full. Flippity flop, full, full, full. Here we go. Full, 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 full. Okay. G-L, G-L, go, go, go. Globby glue, go, go, go. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Okay. Last one. For L blends. S-L, S-L, sol, sol, sol. Slip and slide, sol, sol, sol. Your turn. Sol, 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 sol. Okay. This time I'll do one and then you'll do one. We'll do it together. So this is glad. What's the word? Glad. Now this time I'm going to let you do it. So we know these are 2 sounds. Bull, blend, blend, word. Blip. Okay, now we'll do it together. Flag. Word, flag. Now it's your turn. Clippity climb. Blend. Word, cliff. Okay. P-L, plan. Word, plan. Your turn. So S-L, sol. Word, slip. Okay, here are sounds we've been working on. Now a lot of these have the L blend. And remember, a blend has 2 sounds that when they're put together, they keep their sounds. So when I have CL, it says colk. Oh, we put it together. So 3, 2, 1, col. 3, 2, 1, full. 3, 2, 1, k. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, pull. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, bowl. 3, 2, 1, goal. 3, 2, 1, soul. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And last one. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Nice job, friends. Okay, this time we'll take turn. You're going to do it, and then I'll say it. So remember, this is clippity climb. Blend. Word. Class. This is full. Here we go. Blend. Word. Flip. Pull. Blend. Word. Plan. Bowl. Blend. Word. Black. This is goal. Blend. Word. Glad. This is coal, just like that one. Coal. Blend. Word. Clap. Oh, claps. Okay, once again, coal. Blend. Word. Clip. Think of that blend. Word. Blab. Think of the blend. Word. Clam. Think of the blend. Word. Slim. Think of the blend. Word. Flat. Think of the blend. Word. Flag. Okay. So let's make some more of these words together. We'll do this one together. Vans. Vans. Okay, can't blend yet. Your turn. Blend. Blend. Word. Bags. Together. Caps. Caps. Your turn. Now blend. Word. Cats. So all of these have an S, which means more than one. Okay, we'll do this one together. Mats. Let's do that again. Mats. Gnats. Okay, your turn. Blend. Word. Wigs. We'll do together. Cliff. Word. Cliffs. Your turn. Blend. Word. Lips. More than one lip. Together. Rags. Word. Rags. Your turn. Can't blend yet. Blend. Word. Bins. Together. Figs. Word. Figs. Okay, your turn. Think of the blend. Blend. Word. Flags. Okay, here we go. That one's, whoops, you kind of can't see that. Let me move it so you can see it. Whoops. There you go. Now you can kind of see it. Okay. Blend together. Bad. What's the word? Bad. Okay, let's do this one. Do this one in your head. See if you can do it. Sounds in your head. 3, 2, 1. Sack. We'll do this one together. That's a P. Ick. Word. Pick. Okay, last one for this. This is soul. Blend it. Word. Slip. Okay, here is our sentence. The class is glad. Okay, we have our capital, we have our finger space, good handwriting, good spelling, and our end mark. What is our end mark? 3, 2, 1, and period. That's a 5-star sentence. Okay, here's our next sentence. Miss Black has a plan. And what you'll notice, friends, we have our capital Miss and we have our capital Black. Her name is Miss Black. So you have to have a capital M and a capital B because that's her name. Miss Black has a plan. We have our capitals. We have finger space. It's good handwriting, good spelling. My end mark, think in your head, what's my end mark? 3, 2, 1, period. Okay, once again, go ahead and say the word clam. Now listen closely to hear what is different. Clams. Did you hear the Z sound at the end? I did too. The letter S at the end of clams means that there is more than one clam. Okay, here are our high frequency words. 3, 2, 1, B. There will be 10 children at the party. 3, 2, 1, come. Will you come to the store with me? 3, 2, 1, good. The food at the restaurant was really good. 3, 2, 1, pull. If you pull too hard, it will break. Okay, here is our story for today. Now this story has a lot of blends, so you have to pay attention. Here we go. Cliff has a plan. Again, Cliff has a plan. So this must be Cliff. Okay, here are some words we will see. 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, and. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, has. 3, 2, 1, pull. 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1, come. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, be. 3, 2, 1, good. Okay, here's our story. Cliff has a plan. Okay, you're going to read it first. Okay, let's read it together. Cliff can clap and slap. Oh, this must be Cliff. Whoops, Cliff is a seal. Okay, here we go. Your turn. Okay, now let's do it together. Cliff can flip a black cap. He's going to flip that hat. Called a cap. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we'll do it together. Cliff has a plan. Cliff can pull out a clam. We're excited. So there's the clam. Okay, here we go. Now we'll do it together. Cliff can come in. Okay, now your turn. Okay, now together. I am glad to pat Cliff. Be good, Cliff. Okay, friends, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.